Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make the famous Nkwobi, the famous Nigerian Nkwobi. So if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the red button, turn on the notification. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the support, guys. Thank you so much. So for this delicious delicacy, we'll be needing cow foot or cow leg, cooked perfectly to this tender. Here we have ground crayfish and potash or akaun, and we have calabash nutmeg or pepper soup spice. I call it pepper soup spice. Salt and crushed seasoning. Here we have ugba, African oil bean seeds, scotch bonnet too. Then utazi leaf for garnishing. So we're going to be needing about 2 cooking spoons of palm oil. So we're going to heat it. We're not bleaching the oil, we're just going to heat it. After heating, we'll pour in our potash mixed with water. You mix the potash with cold water. Then you pour in the water into the oil and stir very fast. Don't pour in the residue, just the water on top. And you stir really fast till it looks like this, like the data owu soup. So you stir. Then now I'm adding the pepper and the calabash nutmeg. I blended the pepper and the calabash nutmeg together. So now I'm adding the crayfish and seasoning. That's the salt and the crushed cubes. So next I'm adding ugba. You can add more if you like more. So I'm adding the cow foot now. So we're gonna stir this and mix this all in. Then if you don't have ugba, it's fine. You can make it without the ugba. So we're gonna leave this for about 2 to 5 minutes to simmer on low heat. So if you don't have utazi where you are, you don't have ugba where you are, you can make it without, then it's fine. And also it's the same base you use for isiewu. It's just the difference is just the goat meat or goat head you use, not cow foot. So guys, this is our end product, our finished product of the famous biepalo Nkwobi. So thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.